Okay, Nobel, as mentioned by our acting director, I'd like to take this moment to brief the team that's here on tropical cyclone Pem. As of uh, as of 3 p.m. this afternoon, tropical cyclone Pem was located to the far northwest of us. It was located more than 1,100 kilometers to the far northwest of us. It is intensifying. There's a sustained winds of approximately 150 kilometers per hour at the center of the system, and center pressure of 950 hectopascals, and it is expected to intensify further over the course of the next 18 to 30 hours. It will intensify into a Category 4 system, having sustained winds of 180 kilometers per hour close to the center. On the anticipated track, it is expected to move to on a southerly direction, and it will pass to the far southwest of us. On that projected track, it doesn't pose any direct threat to Fiji. But with that being stated, people should always be on the alert that the associated weather, the heavy rain and the strong winds is going to be affecting us. As we speak right now, there is a heavy rain warning that is already in force for the Fiji group. There is also a strong wind warning, strong north to northwesterly winds with average speeds of 45 kilometers per hour to momentary gusts extending up to 70 kilometers per hour. That is currently in force for Yasao Mamanuca, Lebu, Taveuni, and the nearby small islands. And as tropical cyclone Pem approaches and moves to the west of us, the anticipation, once it intensifies further, is that the heavy rain will spread to the rest of Fiji.